In this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer a domain from Namecheap to GoDaddy step by step in a clear and simple way. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what information you need, and how to avoid common mistakes so your transfer goes smoothly. Let's start on the Namecheap side, because that's where your domain currently lives. First, sign into your Namecheap account and head over to your domain list. This is usually found in the main dashboard under a section called Domain List. Once you're there, look for the domain you want to move to GoDaddy. When you find it, click the Manage button next to that domain. This opens the detailed settings page for that specific domain, where you control things like DNS, contact details, and transfer options. On the domain management page, look for a tab or section labeled Sharing and Transfer. Go ahead and click that. This area is dedicated to anything related to moving your domain, whether that's sharing access with someone else or transferring it to another registrar, like GoDaddy. Within the sharing and transfer area, find the section called Transfer Out. This is where Namecheap gives you the tools you need to move your domain away from their platform. Here, you should see an option to unlock your domain. By default, most domains are locked to protect them from unauthorized transfers. To move your domain, you'll need to temporarily remove that lock. Click Unlock. Once you unlock your domain, there are two things to keep in mind. First, it may take a moment for the status to fully update, so don't worry if it doesn't look instant. Second, after unlocking, you'll either see an authorization code, also called an auth code or EPP code, or you'll have an option to request it. This code is essential. It acts like a password to authorize the transfer to GoDaddy. Make sure you copy this code carefully and keep it somewhere safe while you complete the rest of the steps. If Namecheap emails it to you, check your inbox and any spam or promotions folders. Now switch over to GoDaddy, open a browser tab and go to the GoDaddy domain transfer page. This page is specifically designed to help you bring an existing domain from another registrar into your GoDaddy account. On the transfer page, you'll see a field where you can enter the domain name you want to transfer. Type in the full domain, including the extension like .com or .net, exactly as it appears in your Namecheap account. Once you've entered it, click Continue. GoDaddy will quickly check if the domain is unlocked and eligible for transfer. Next, GoDaddy will ask you for the auth code. This is where that code from Namecheap comes in. Paste the code you copied earlier into the auth code field. Take a moment to make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the code, as that can cause errors. When the code is in and everything looks correct, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the transfer and complete the process. That's all there is to it. Unlock your domain in Namecheap, grab your auth code, start the transfer on GoDaddy's domain transfer page, enter your domain name, and paste in the auth code. Once submitted, the transfer may take a few days to fully complete, but you'll be able to track its progress from your GoDaddy account.